do we say mentally happy or mentally challenged? One is correct, the other sounds strange. Let's learn collocation in a super easy way. Hello students, today we are learning a very interesting topic, collocation. Collocations are words that naturally go together in English. Example, we say strong tea but not powerful tea. Look at these pairs and tell me which sounds correct. Mentally handicapped, mentally happy, mentally challenged, or mentally joyous. Think it a while. I will give some time to you. That's the two answers correct: mentally handicapped and mentally challenged. Why? Because English has fixed combination. Now next set: physically challenged, physically impaired, physically unusual, or physically strange. Which one is correct? Physically challenged, physically impaired. Some combinations just don't sound natural, even if grammar is correct. So now let's start with the next topic, what you call be. I will give some words and I will tell you to match it. The first one is mentally premises. Second one, downward powers. Third is concentration challenged. Fourth one, low spiral. And fifth one, school self-esteem. Just find out the answer and let me know. Just giving 1 minute for that. Which one is correct? Yeah. The first one, mentally challenged. Second one, downward spiral. Third one, concentration powers. Fourth one, low self-esteem. And fifth one, school premises. Okay, now let me tell you the explanation for this. Mentally challenged means person with learning difficulty. Downward spiral means situation getting worse. Concentration powers means ability to focus. Low self-esteem means lack of confidence. And fifth one, school premises means school area or building. So tell me in comment which is correct. I will ask some question. Fast foods or quick food? Fast food or quick food? Heavy rain or strong rain? So remember students, English is not just grammar, it's also about using the right word combinations. So if you found this helpful, like the video, comment your answers and subscribe for more easy English lesson. Till then, take care and bye bye.